Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will show you all the ready-mix paint, similar to the color of the year peach fuzz. The following ready-mix paint you instantly buy on your nearest hardware and paint store. Okay, let's start. Davies Megacryl, Princess Peach. Davies Megacryl, Potpourri Peach. Davies Megacryl, Wedding Dream. Davies Sun and Rain, Angel Blush. Boysen Permacoat, Peach Medley. Davies BioFresh, Sweet Pink. Rain or Shine Elastomeric Paint, Angelina. Rain or Shine, Pink Salmon. Rain or Shine, Cotton Candy. Boysen Permacoat, Elizabeth Rose. Aplus All Weather, Sweet Havana. Davies BioFresh, Peach Galore. Davies Megacryl, Mellow Melon. Nippon Paint, Cedar Scent. Nippon Paint, Home Sweet Home. Benjamin Moore, Teacup Rose. And last, Davies BioFresh, Tangerine Fuzz. That's all, thank you for watching.